Welcome to the Prysmian Daily News Update. This is your go-to update for the most relevant and impactful news about us and our industry. As of July 16th, today's news features developments in energy and the geopolitical landscape, particularly regarding offshore wind energy initiatives in Sweden and escalating tensions in the Strait of Hormuz. Sweden's government has approved the Fyrskeppet and Vidar offshore wind farms, which collectively could generate up to 19 terawatt-hours of electricity annually. Additionally, the government sanctioned a substantial onshore wind project in Markbygden, while rejecting 11 other proposed offshore ventures due to concerns about their potential impact on national defense capabilities. This shift marks a significant transition from an open-door application process to an auction system for offshore wind projects, streamlined to enhance efficiency in identifying suitable development zones, as indicated by Climate Minister Romina Pourmokhtari and other officials. Meanwhile, Swiss engineering firm ABB announced its intent to acquire UK-based Rotork for approximately $5.5 billion, a strategic move to enhance its automation division. The deal underlines ABB's strong performance in recent quarters, characterized by record-high orders. On the financial front, the largest grid operator in the U.S., PJM, has raised alarms due to soaring temperatures leading to increased electricity demand. The operator reported that on peak demand days, securing sufficient electricity supplies would cost over $16 billion, significantly influenced by the rapid growth of data centers. This situation is exacerbated by transmission line congestion, causing spot electricity prices to spike dramatically. The global scenario is also noteworthy, with Standard Nuclear successfully raising $150 million in its U.S. initial public offering, despite initial ambitions being tempered by cautious investment appetites. This IPO signals a potential shift as the U.S. aims to quadruple its nuclear power capacity by 2050, driven by increasing energy demands from emerging technologies. Turning to the markets, U.S. stocks faced declines as investors recalibrated their expectations amid concerns over earnings justifying further advances in artificial intelligence sectors. Trading in major stock indices reflected this caution, particularly affected by elevated geopolitical risks, including ongoing conflicts in the Middle East. By the way, the tension between the U.S. and Iran is escalating, with the U.S. targeting Iranian infrastructure and military capabilities. Iran's military has emphatically declared that the Strait of Hormuz is a red line and has vowed to maintain control over this crucial maritime passage amid intensifying hostilities. The situation in the region continues to unfold against a backdrop of geopolitical uncertainty, affecting global oil and shipping markets. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.